Mastering ISO 128. ISO 128 unleashes standardized chaos on technical drawings and product documentation. When technical drawings and technical product documentation are prepared, what is ISO 128, and what is its purpose in providing a standardized framework for the representation of technical information? ISO 128 is an international standard that provides a set of rules and guidelines for the preparation of technical drawings and technical product documentation. The purpose of ISO 128 is to establish a standardized framework for the representation of technical information, ensuring clarity, consistency, and accuracy in the communication of technical data. Published by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, ISO 128 is a multi-part standard that covers the general principles of representation, basic conventions, and specific conventions for different types of technical drawings and documentation. The standard is widely adopted across various industries, including engineering, architecture, and manufacturing, where accurate and unambiguous technical communication is critical. The primary objective of ISO 128 is to provide a common language and set of conventions for technical drawing and documentation, enabling effective communication among designers, manufacturers, suppliers, and customers across different regions and organizations. This standard ensures that technical information is presented in a clear, concise, and consistent manner, reducing errors, misunderstandings, and misinterpretations that can arise from poorly prepared or inconsistent technical documentation. ISO 128 covers a broad range of technical drawing and documentation aspects, including 1. General principles. The standard outlines the fundamental principles for preparing technical drawings and documentation, including the importance of clarity, simplicity, and consistency. 2. Scales and units. ISO 128 specifies the recommended scales, units, and formats for technical drawings, ensuring that dimensional accuracy and precision are maintained. 3. Line work and lettering. The standard provides guidelines for line work, including line types, widths, and styles, as well as lettering styles and font sizes, to ensure legibility and consistency. 4. Views and projections. ISO 128 outlines the rules for creating and presenting different types of views, including orthographic, isometric, and perspective projections, to provide a clear understanding of complex technical information. 5. Dimensions and tolerances. The standard provides guidelines for dimensioning and tolerancing, ensuring that technical drawings accurately convey critical information about sizes, shapes, and allowable variations. 6. Symbols and abbreviations. ISO 128 defines a set of standardized symbols and abbreviations for use in technical drawings and documentation, reducing confusion and misinterpretation. By following the guidelines and conventions outlined in ISO 128, technical drawings and documentation can be prepared in a consistent and standardized manner, enabling effective communication and collaboration among stakeholders involved in design, manufacturing, and procurement. The benefits of using ISO 128 include improved clarity and readability of technical drawings and documentation, enhanced accuracy and consistency in the communication of technical information, reduced errors and misunderstandings arising from poorly prepared or inconsistent technical documentation, increased efficiency and productivity in design, manufacturing, and procurement processes, facilitated collaboration and communication among stakeholders across different regions and organizations. In summary, ISO 128 is an essential standard for anyone involved in preparing or using technical drawings and documentation. By providing a standardized framework for the representation of technical information, ISO 128 helps ensure that critical technical data is communicated accurately, consistently, and effectively, facilitating successful collaboration and innovation in various industries.